Hey guys, what's up? And the hope is still alive, but God almighty, it's still alive. Finally, we got some exciting news regarding the Perfect Note, aka the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. So I made a video pretty much talking about all the features that we're gonna see on the phone, like the stereo speakers, new wearable aperture, dual camera with more potential, dual selfie camera, and I said that the fingerprint scanner will remain on the back, but seems like that might change. Okay, so a new report from Korean Herald has revealed that Samsung is still testing the in-display fingerprint scanner on the Note 9 and are close to make it happen. The report says that Samsung Display has prepared 3 or 4 solutions for Samsung Electronics to embed the fingerprint scanner inside of the main display, and both are seriously considering one of the solution. So one of the solutions have actually worked according to Samsung's expectations, and we might see this solution on the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. We are less than 5 months away from the Note 9 announcement, and since it's a Note 8S kind of upgrade, things have been moving pretty fast. We've seen the model number testing for both Exynos and Qualcomm models of the phone. The firmware development has already begun. We have 2 different version numbers, the N960 FXXE and the FXSU, which means that the testing for the Exynos and Qualcomm variants of the Note 9 has already begun. Last year, the firmware development for the Galaxy Note 8 started on April 6th, so Samsung is actually doing this 2 weeks earlier for the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Similar to what they have done with the Galaxy S9, the firmware development was started 2 weeks earlier than the previous generation flagships. And that resulted in the early launch for the Samsung Galaxy S9. It was almost 2 weeks early than the Samsung Galaxy S8. So you can expect that the Note 9 will actually going to be launched earlier than the Note 8 to get a head start over the upcoming 2018 iPhones. Now, as I said, things are definitely moving fast. Samsung usually completes its upcoming phone design 5 months earlier than the launch, but this time Samsung has not finalized the design of the Note 9 just because of one thing, the deciding thing, which is going to be the in-display fingerprint scanner. Samsung Display has not given up on the in-display fingerprint scanner, and this time it might actually happen. Samsung has to make the biggest decision. It's about time to put the damn fingerprint scanner in display. We wanted this for so long. Since the Galaxy S8 was rumored, we heard that Samsung will bring the in-display fingerprint scanner, and we expected the same with the Note 8. And with the S9 family, I honestly thought that it would happen, but it didn't. This is really, and I mean really important, since Galaxy S9 family has about 30 to 40% less sales than the Galaxy S8, it's disappointing. And if same goes for the Note 9, then the sales will decline even further. They have to bring the in-display fingerprint scanner at all costs. It has to happen. Samsung has no advanced 3D facial technology like Apple. Samsung's only chance to get the upper hand is with the Note 9. They have to put the fingerprint scanner in display. And since we all know that the Note 9 will be a perfect Note with the most complete specs, the best display, one of the best cameras on the market, etc., but the in-display fingerprint scanner is going to be the final piece to the puzzle, and it's probably going to be the biggest feature of the phone. So yeah guys, let me know your thoughts and hopes regarding the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. If it's going to have an in-display fingerprint scanner, will you upgrade to this phone? And I gotta say, my excitement for the Note 9 is back. We have waited for so long. Please Samsung, it's time to make this happen once and for all. Again, let me know your thoughts about this in the comment section below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.